What's up, y'all? I'm super excited that you are here today because we are in New York, baby. Hanzo booth was at the International Beauty Show. You know I had to buy something. I am so excited because I'm going to the International Beauty Show. I'm signed up for a few classes. I'm going to be networking. I am really excited to just be in this aura, this New York City. It just does something to me. I'm from Jersey, but I love New York. And yeah, I have been kind of in my room just relaxing, taking it all in. As y'all know, I went to Africa for my birthday. I'm glad to be here in New York to kind of get back into my elements. I keep talking about expanding and getting in front of new people, because as a hairstylist in Atlanta, I feel like it's time to get in front of new people. Like, everyone keeps talking about, oh, the market is so saturated. And I just want to say to y'all, like, honestly, it's not saturated. You have to bring the market to who you know needs your product. And I feel like New York is right here, and it's where I need to be. I feel like there's someone that I'm going to meet at the International Beauty Show that is going to say they've been looking for me. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to network, to let other stylists pour into me. It's educational for sure, because a lot of times I can get stuck in my own little bubble, my own world. And I used to really travel and go to these beauty shows and really get out of my comfort zone so that I can see what else is out there. And that's how we grow. So I'm here and I'm bringing y'all along. So buckle up. All right.
Alright, y'all, I am at the hair show, and I want to let y'all know that this is one of the best hair shows I've been to in a long time. I'm so happy that I'm here. I'm up with some new cheers from Hanzo. I am a big fan of Hanzo Shears because they came to my school like when I was like in a beta beauty school. And I actually, funny story, I lost a pair of shears from them. They cost about $1,000. And so today I'm just so happy to be in a position where I can replace my shears. And I also bought a second pair, and I signed up for the class for tomorrow. I'm interested in learning more about like layering and cutting extensions, of course, because I am doing my beauty showroom and we specialize in extensions and wigs, so why not take it up a notch and do my coloring, my hair cutting skills, like enhancing them. I'm out of breath. It's been a lot of walking around. There's so many good vendors here, like connections galore. I'm gonna try to share some more.
Whatever the product is for the back, right? Like, we don't even know what the product is, but we want that back. So now we have this beautiful velvet top.
What's up, y'all? It is day 2 of New York, and I'm so excited to get on the road and see what's going on today. I'm going to the International Beauty Show for day 2, just for like a half day. Then I'm actually going to my grandma's house so that I can eat. I fly out tonight, and I feel like it's always important to stop and spend time with my grandma, so I'm doing that. Right now I'm taking a little detour and I'm going to the Cartier store because I needed to get a bracelet size, and I'm gonna try to get some footage of that. And then of course I'll show y'all what I get into for day 2 at the International Beauty Show. We're supposed to be doing a class at 12:15 with Hanzo, and of course that's where I get all my shears from. It's the best of the best for the industry that I'm in. So yeah, stay tuned for day 2. Look at this beautiful hair, y'all. What's up, y'all? I am having a terrible day, so I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of everything that I bought at the International Beauty Show in New York. I feel like it's gonna make me feel better because it's like, what actually did I get? What connections did I make? So nutritive shampoo and nutritive hair mask. Okay, I love trying new products because you just never know. You just never know when someone got that thing for you. This was also really good for, it says introducing revolutionary Plex technology, rediscovering beautiful hair, healthy and scalp. So as you all know, this was for a hair show. So I was like, let me go ahead and pick this up. And this was a sample that was given to me because I am a hairstylist. That's one. I purchased the cutest little smock for hairstylists. I just could not resist. Look at this. You tie it behind here, and then it gives you a little silhouette type of smock on a hair day that you just feel like, you know, spicing it up a little bit. Let me show y'all up close. Look at this. It's got like a dress, but it's a smock, and I love it. And y'all will be seeing me wear this, okay? I also got this new cape. I actually been using it for my clients. This is a really plush robe to protect people's clothes from getting color or anything on it. Look at this. Oh yes, and I like this one because the little straps to tie it are sewn on, so you don't even have to worry about losing this. And it's real good material, waterproof. Yes. So that I got 2 pair of Hanzo Shears. I'm looking forward to using that. Me and Hanzo go way back. If you know Hanzo, you know they have the best shears ever. I was introduced to them from beauty school at Aveda, and these shears are a pretty penny. Like this one alone is supposed to be good for layering. It was like $1,500. Haven't even opened it yet. Then this one is sentimental because I did purchase this before. It's called the Mamba Shears. I purchased this before when I was in hair school. I graduated. It was like a gift to myself, and I did a wedding for a client that I had known for some time. I let someone use my shears for something at that event, and I never seen them again. I stopped doing weddings quickly after that because I was just like, how rude is it to like steal the hairstylist supplies when you just needed it for a second? But I just realized that me and like on-site things, I like to be in my own space, so I decided to stop doing weddings. But those shears was $1,000. I repurchased them today, well, at the hair show, because if you buy 2 you get a small discount. When I say small, it was small. But these are called the Mamba 6.0s. I've been so happy to start cutting with them again. I have another pair of Hanzos that I had purchased in hair school that worked really well, but it was just time for me to, you know, with all the education that I was learning, to just kind of step up my shear game. So about $3,000 on shears later, that was my major purchase at the hair show. Overall, I feel like it was a great learning experience. I was able to take some hair cutting classes. A lot of the classes were free. There were some paid ones. I was able to pass out my cards to a lot of lovely stylists and, you know, just kind of let my hair down and unwind in New York. So international beauty shows was a success. I've been to the one in LA before, and this is my second time. This is my first time going to the New York one, but second IBS show, so it was good. Especially if you're in a beauty space. Good to network. I met some amazing people. I did meet a couple vendors. Okay, I ordered some new surgical caps for people that have experienced hair loss. They have like a silicone lining inside of the cap. So I can't wait for those to come in so I can launch my new surgical line for women that have experienced hair loss, because they have this integrative silicone inside. Sometimes people that are bald kind of experience irritation to lace closures and stuff being directly on their skin. So I'm looking forward to that. Those caps were $8 a piece. So I'm used to spending maybe $5 on a cap. I'm looking forward to seeing, like I said, these caps come in. Looking forward to growing and getting more into that space where I'm helping a lot of women who have experienced hair loss due to medical conditions. I met a really bomb vendor for the Russian hair. The only thing is the hair wasn't on wefts, so I would have to find someone to weft the hair for me, which I feel like is another process. But yeah, if you're interested in going to the International Beauty Show, I would definitely go and check it out. There's some great connections that you can make if you're in the right spaces. And as hairstylists, we can get stuck and be in our own space, especially if we're renting our own booth and we're like, or room, and we're doing our hair with only our clients and not interacting with other stylists. Doing things like this kind of puts that fuel that you need to keep going. And just meeting different hairstylists on different levels. Like, you know, I met some people that had just got their cosmetology license, and I met some people that have already, they're well established, doing great, owning multiple spas and salons. So it's always good to keep networking and keep that energy, because when I be by myself all the time, honestly, I be feeling a little burnt out sometimes. So I'm looking forward to doing more things to network and hopefully getting my business on autopilot where I can feel comfortable with leaving and not suffering, not letting the business suffer while I'm gone. So I felt comfortable this time because I have a wonderful assistant who was able to keep the store open for me during the weekend while I still made my trip to New York. And I actually did make money while I was gone, not just online, but in person. Like, someone came in and purchased 3 wigs. So to me, that makes me feel good, because I was like, okay, I'm obviously doing something right. I'm able to fulfill my networking, tasks and have a fully operating store that was able to function without me there. That's what I want to focus on this year. I want to focus on getting more clientele that are experiencing hair loss due to medical conditions. I want to focus on getting my store to be able to run on autopilot without me having to do as much. I'm sorry for the background noise, y'all. Be able to run on autopilot so I can be a full CEO, and I can really learn new things about business without being behind the chair. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.